Namaste. The rainy season brings freshness and greenery, but also brings along the common health issues like cold, cough, indigestion, skin infection, and joint pains. But don't worry, homeopathy has a gentle and effective solutions for these seasonal complaints. In today's video, I will be sharing the top homeopathic remedies you can use to stay healthy and comfortable during the monsoon. Let's get started. The first medicine we'll see is a Rusttox or Rusttoxicodendron. Rusttox is a top remedy for joint pains, body ache, and stiffness that worsen in cold, damp, rainy weather. It's especially useful when the pain is relieved by warmth and the movement, but worsens at rest. Think of Rusttox during the monsoon when people complain of rusty joints, sprains, or flu-like symptoms after getting wet or chilled in the rain. Next medicine is a Dulamera. Dulamera is the key homeopathic remedy for elements triggered by cold, damp, and rainy weather. It's especially helpful when symptoms appear after getting wet, like cold, cough, diarrhea, or joint pains. Diarrhea from taking cold in damp places, rheumatism, and skin complaints aggravated by exposure to cold, damp, rainy weather, or sudden change in the hot weather. Next important medicine is Arsenic. Arsenic is the key remedy for rainy season complaints caused by food or water contamination like vomiting, diarrhea, and food poisoning. It suits the individual who feel restless, anxious, chilly, and weak, especially at night. Think of arsenic when someone falls sick after eating roadside or stale food during the monsoon with burning pains and frequent thirst for small sips of water. Next important medicine is a Natum Sulphate. Natum Sulphate is the top homeopathic remedy for health complaints that are worsened in damp, humid, and rainy weather, especially asthma, bronchitis, and joint pains. It's ideal for those who feel heavy, depressed, or sluggish when the atmosphere is moist. If rainy weather triggers the breathing trouble or aggravates the old injuries, Natum Sulphate is often the remedy of choice. Next important medicine is a Nakomika. Nakomika is a great remedy for rainy season complaints caused by overeating, street food, or poor digestion. During the monsoon, many suffer from acidity, nausea, bloating, or diarrhea due to unhygienic food or irregular eating habits, and Nakomika is the go-to remedy. It suits the individual who are highly irritable, chilly, and sensitive to noise and smell, especially when digestive troubles follow indulgence during the damp season. Next important medicine is a Bionia Alba. Bionia is useful in the rainy season when dry coughs, chest pain, or joint pains arise and are worsened by the movement. It's ideal for conditions where symptoms develop slowly in damp weather, but the person wants complete rest and feels worse from any motion. Think of Bionia when someone has a dry, painful cough or body ache during the monsoon and prefers lying still for relief. Next important medicine is a Graphitis. Graphitis is helpful remedy during the rainy season, especially for the skin complaints like eczema, fungal infection, or cracked skin that worsen in damp weather. It suits the individual when moist, oozing eruptions that are itchy and sticky. When the humidity of the rainy season aggravates the skin problems, particularly in skin folds, Graphitis can provide great relief. Now we will see the concluding part. These were some of the most commonly used homeopathic medicines for rainy season related health problems. But remember, correct remedy selection depends on your individual symptoms. So always consult a qualified homeopathic doctor before starting any treatment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and homeopathy guidance. Stay healthy this monsoon naturally with homeopathy. Thank you.